Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can customize the image layout for images added to your apps on Adalo, and also how to change their alignment on a screen or page or card of your app. So let us dive into this. Open up the Adalo app builder, log into your account and select the app here at the top. Insert your image and navigate to the card or screen with the given image. I will go with this one here. Left click into it, and here in the image settings you may change the customize the layout here and change the visibility. Use this option sticky while scrolling, for example. Choose a shared layout for the given device type, like for mobile, turn it off for instance. The width resizing, and also navigate to setup here to change the alignment. To do that, click into these three dots here and choose arrange, and here may, for example, align to screen, and choose one of these alignment vertically or horizontally. And below guys, here just the action button, you will see the edit styles section. Click into that pencil button to change the width, height, the background, and so on and so forth of your image. You may also move it on your card or screen. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.